Meaning of grease.
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 Grease. Grease is a thick, oily substance that is typically used as a lubricant to reduce friction between two surfaces. It can also refer to any type of fatty or oily substance, such as the residue left behind after cooking meat. When applied to machinery or equipment, grease helps to prevent wear and tear, corrosion, and overheating. In cooking, it adds flavor and moisture to food. However, improperly disposed grease can cause environmental damage and clog drain pipes, leading to expensive repairs. Therefore, it's important to handle and dispose of grease responsibly.